The best kind of people. The best kind of people are the ones who love you unconditionally, are soft and gentle with your heart and soul, make you smile with just their presence, know when something is not right without you having to say anything at all, take responsibility for their actions, respect other humans, let you be yourself, accept you as you are, forgive others instead of seeking revenge, are patient with your struggles, are there no matter the situation, make you feel safe, loved, and understood, help you without expecting something in return, listen attentively, ask you to message them when you get home safe, are there for you during the lows just as much as the highs. Check up on you when you are quieter, are honest and believe in lifting other people up. Focus on self-care, see the best in you even when you can't, teach you new things. Find happiness in your happiness, show you that you are loved and reassure you when you need it. Don't try to make you feel guilty for being upset, are always kind, hold you to feel your feelings without judgment, are present with you, bring sunshine to your day.